Yo, this is the Madison family Snackapalooza cupboards and whatnot. You see why my ass is like 300 and something pounds right now. But aside from that, we got a detailed tour of the facility. We have a lot of good options for snacking in between, league cues, or, you want to take a break, you got a little bit of that there. If you want to get a drink, run up, get that. You got drink mix. You got actual drinks. It's bang. Hold on. Alright, let me see if I can... Oh, that's whack as fuck, dog. I can't, change the positioning of my camera in the middle of recording. Gay as fuck. Anyway, just do this. This sucks. I got some motherfucking shepherd's pie, some fucking, what is that? I think that's chicken pot pie and shepherd's pie up top. Got some fucking taquito, or what the fuck is that? Sour cream. What is that? Cream cheese. Okay, well, what the fuck? Cream cheese for the bagels. Got some motherfucking limeritas or whatever the fuck they're called. Barbecue sauce, cheese, and crackers. Some PB&J condiments. We got some fucking fancy ass spaghetti cheese. The Parmesan, whatever. Then we got some motherfucking ziti. Another type of chicken dinner. I think that's meatloaf dinner from this place down the street called Ricardo's. We got some pineapples. Got some Gatorade, some beer, some more Gatorade, some iced tea drinks, some milk for some cereal and shit. We got yogurt. Who fucking cares about yogurt, right? Am I right? We got some pickles. And we got some motherfucking raspberry tea, dog. What? We got the liquor up there, just in case. We got the motherfucking Mrs. T's pierogies. Y'all don't know about this shit. This shit banging. It takes fucking hell long to make, though. That's why I haven't opened the bag. I think my sister might have. But that's why we got the motherfucking sour cream and onion shit right here. Or sour cream for the fucking pierogies. We got some motherfucking chicken wings up in this bitch. We got some motherfucking Elio's pizza, frozen bread products just in case. We got some motherfucking cutlet. Fuck is this? Got some motherfucking stir fry in 10 minutes. More stir fry chicken tenders. Got some fucking they don't even look good. Okay, skip that. We got some sweet and sour chicken stir fry. Next, that was the freezer. Personally, my favorite place to go and get a snack. But last but not least, got some motherfucking whole grain Tostitos. Like we said, we had the motherfucking tortillas sauce or whatever, Tortorinos, whatever, fucking salsa, whatever. Yeah, some motherfucking Doritos, the old El Paso taco kit, just in case. I think those are cookies. I haven't seen them yet, but about to. Actually, let's do it right now. What's in here? Let's investigate. Oh, I thought that was gonna be cookies. It's baking ingredients. We got spices for that extra spicy Dirty LP gameplay. Gotta keep it spicy. And we got some motherfucking crackers, some popcorn, some Pop-Tarts, some K-pop. We got some motherfucking penne pasta, some elbow macaroni. We got 2 of these bad boys just in case we want to get real cheesy right now in the bot lane, dog. That fucking gank after blue buff cheesy. Got double mac and cheese. Got some motherfucking lasagna strips over here, just in case. The fucking Arnold, the 2 ingredients required to make Arnold Palmer's half and half. We got the Lipton Ice and the Country Time Lem. And then we got more Tostitos, fucking tortilla chips, because hey, 0 calories on Weight Watchers if you eat them and salsa, so you're balling if you're trying to lose weight, which 3/4 of my family is, me being the one left out. That's nothing. More pasta. Got some blueberry things over there. Trash bags, paper towels, another container just in case we want to make something extra. That's pretty much it, man. Oh, we got some bread, some more spices, because you know, with that extra spicy Dirty LP gameplay, you gotta keep it real and spicy. Dishes, because ain't nobody got time for that. Coffee maker. Can opener. We never use this. Ever. We never use that. I think like if my dad opens tuna cans for lunch, he'll use that. Aside from that, we never use that. And maybe pasta sauce. Maybe. But yo, that's the motherfucking tour of the goddamn legendary BadKidSensei of his refrigerator, cupboard, and freezer. That is why your boy is 300 pounds. That is why your boy is AKA the big kid on the block. So, yeah. Now that I got that taken care of, I'm going to head back downstairs, play some more games. Thinking about ESO, maybe some a little bit more League if, like, somebody hops on. Might play a little bit Overwatch, getting used to the controller. Not too used to it. My aim's still boo-boo, but it's not too bad. But hey, you guys take care.